Ever wondered what makes succulents so alluring and easy to care for? Their unique features, combined with low maintenance needs and aesthetic appeal, make them a favorite for many. Today, we'll guide you through the steps of caring for and displaying your succulents. Caring for succulents is a breeze once you know the basics. Let's start with sunlight. These plants are sun lovers, so place them where they can get at least 6 hours of bright, indirect sunlight each day. But remember, too much direct sunlight can cause their leaves to scorch. Next, let's talk water. Succulents are desert dwellers, so they prefer their soil to be dry most of the time. Water them thoroughly, but infrequently, allowing the soil to dry out completely between watering sessions. A common rule of thumb is to water once every 2 weeks, but this can vary depending on the season and your home's humidity levels. And finally, the soil. Succulents need well-draining soil to prevent waterlogging. Consider mixing in some perlite or coarse sand to improve drainage. Regular potting soil just won't do the trick. Remember, succulents thrive on neglect, so don't overwater. Now that you know how to care for your succulents, displaying them is the next step. Start with a simple pot or jump right into designing a terrarium. Bring the outdoors inside with a miniature garden on your windowsill, or create an outdoor succulent garden for a low-maintenance landscape. You can even mix succulents with other plants for a varied display. The possibilities are endless. Get creative with your displays. Succulents are versatile and can add a touch of nature to any space. Succulents are indeed a delightful addition to any home or garden. Their allure lies in their simplicity. They're easy to care for and versatile in display. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like it and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips.